Assalamualaikum, madam. We are from Diploma in Banking, Group A. Today, we're going to present about our assignment, and the company that we choose for our assignment is Emulus Holding Berhad. Without further ado, let's start. My name is Hani Melissa Lim Anshu, and my metric number is 069924.
My name is Nur Shakira binti Muhammad Nohirul and my matrix number is 070639.
My name is Nur Shamisa binti Muhammad Aslan. My metric number is 071577.
My name is Siti Norakila Hanani binti Muhammad Jamal. My metric number is 0712 and 51.
This report aims to determine whether the selected company meets the credit evaluation requirements of a potential borrower. To meet the requirement, we must assess the company's creditworthiness and ability to repay the loan using the principle of good lending, 5 Cs analysis, and financial statement analysis. Besides, we also need to explain the procedure for the potential customer to apply for the loan with a guarantor to guarantee the loan and recommend the loan application including the amount, terms and conditions. The selected company is Emulus Holdings Berhad. Emulus Holdings Berhad is a Malaysian-based high technology company that focuses on designing, developing and manufacturing of semiconductor test equipment and solutions. Emulus is a global semiconductor company that began operations in 2004. Its base is in Penang, Malaysia, and it has grown to become a key player in the marketplace, offering solutions to some of the emerging challenges in current technology. Emulus was incorporated in Malaysia as a public limited company on 17 October 2014 as an investment holding company to undertake a proposed listing on the S market of Bursa Malaysia Securities, which is well known as Bursa Malaysia. Emulus and its subsidiary, Emulus Corporation Sdn Berhad, ACSB, were co-founded by Eng Seng Beng, the Group Executive Director and Chief Executive Officer (COO), and Yo Chi Keong, the Group Executive Director and Chief Operating Officer (COO). As engineers from major US-based multinational electronics companies, the duo saw an opportunity for import substitution in the domestic automated test equipment (ATE) market, which at the time most ATE used by semiconductor manufacturers rely on import. They have been active and involved in shaping, determining, and delivering the overall Malayan economic direction, advancement, maintenance, and accomplishment of Emulus from then on up to the present. Emulus specialty includes customer-friendly test solutions and solutions with an exclusive focus on quality technology to help semiconductor manufacturers improve the operational efficiency and shorten the time to market. Apart from this technical factor, there was another factor that Emulus considered keenly, and that was the social aspect of implementing the plan by ensuring that the company strengthens its relationship with the customer. The company also provides its customer with detailed support services, personal training, and the readjust of its products to guarantee their proper implementation in customers' production lines. In conclusion, this paper aimed to identify, analyze, and describe the Malaysian company, Emulus Holdings Berhad, and its operations in the global semiconductor industry by offering innovative test technology for semiconductors and determining whether this company meets the credit evaluation requirements. Conducting a thorough financial ratio analysis helps in assessing the company's performance and financial stability. First is profitability ratio. In this ratio, we are calculating the company's gross profit margin and the net profit margin. For gross profit margin, the company showed a decreases in 2019 from 2018, while for the net profit margin, the company also showed decreases in 2019 compared to 2018. This means that the company was getting less profit but still had to pay the fixed expenses. Next, for liquidity ratio, they include current ratio and average collection period. For current ratio, the company is more liquid in 2019, while for average collection period, the company is less efficiency in 2019 because of its average collection period is 197 days compared to 2018, which is only 120 9 days. This shows that the organization took longer to collect its receivables in 2019 compared to 2018. Other than that, we also calculate their assets management efficiency ratio. We have calculated their total asset turnover and fixed asset turnover. For total asset turnover, the company was more efficient in 2019, while for fixed asset turnover, the company's asset management was more efficient in 2018 compared to 2019. All these differences can be concluded by saying that the factors that influence the changes in net profit, total asset, and average collection period are the effects of COVID-19 pandemic that attacks our region's economy. However, the company's liquidity ratio, together with the current ratio and quick ratio, show an upward trend from 2018 to 2019. This indicates that Emulus Holdings Berhad has efficiently controlled its liquidity.
Now I'm gonna talk about 3.0, assessment of the company creditworthiness and ability to repay the loan. There are 9 principles of lending that I use in this assignment, but now I'm just gonna talk about 4 of it. First, risk-taking in credit and lending. Emulus Holding Berhad is well placed to manage its financial obligations and stay profitable. Second, prioritizing quality of the credit. Emulus Holding Berhad has effectively managed its resources and financed its business internally. Third, risk diversification. Through its diverse customer base, Emulus Holding Berhad can spread risk across different client segments to reduce risk. And the last one, purposeful and productive lending. Emulus Holding Berhad is expected to ensure that these loans support purposeful activities toward long-term sustainability. Now I'm going to talk about 5 C's of credit for Emulus Holding Berhad. First, character. By having transparent governance practice, an experienced management team, and a positive market perspectives, Emulus Holding Berhad shows a strong character. Second, capacity. The stable growth in their revenue base, together with profitability metrics that have been constant, as well as continued positive operating cash inflow, indicates that Emulus Holding Berhad has the capacity to repay back the loan. Third, capital. Emulus Holding Berhad has strong capital with a balanced debt-to-equity ratio and enough reserve for its operations and possible loan repayment. Fourth, collateral. Emulus Holding Berhad holding some kind of concert assets, including equipment or intellectual property, among others, that could act as security for the loan and therefore offer additional assurance. And the last one, conditions. Since Emulus has excellent financial conditions and prospective growth, this will provide an opportunity for them to have good terms, such as competitive interest rate and convenient payments times. I think that's all for me. Now we're gonna move to the next presenter.
We move to the next part, which is loan amount provided by the bank. Emulus Holdings Berhad has decided to proceed with any 50 million loan to enhance its growth in the semiconductor industry. This loan will be allocated as follows. The first one is infrastructure improvement for 20 million. Number 2, research and development R&D investment 50 million. Number 3, global expansions for 10 million. And the last one is for contingency fund 5 million. Advantage of the 10-year loan. The first one is lower monthly payments, helps control cash flow, allowing for better allocation of resource. Number 2, cash flow management, free up capital for investment in R&D infrastructure and global expansion. Number 3, financial flexibility, provides the ability to navigate economic uncertainties and pursue growth opportunities without immediate financial pressure. For the disadvantage of the 10-year loan, number 1 is higher total interest paid. Longer repayment increase total interest, raising the overall cost of borrowing. Number 2, longer commitment period. extends the debit burden, potentially limiting financial flexibility, increasing exposure to economic fluctuation. Number 3. Potential opportunity cost. Long-term commitment might lead to missed opportunities requiring quick access to funds. Next part is comprehensive analysis. Key factors for loan repayment ability. The first one is current financial health. Emulus Holdings Berhad has shown strong growth in the profit and sale with a robust balance sheet and low outstanding liabilities. Number 2, industry and market condition. High demand for semiconductor test solution provides a favorable market position. Number 3, risk management proactive strategy. To manage economic and operational risks, ensure stability.
For the conclusion, this report surveys MLS Holding Berhad's ability to repay loans. MLS is a Malaysian high-tech company specializing in semiconductor test solution and equipment. Since its founding in 2004, it has become a significant player in the global semiconductor industry, known for its innovative test advancements. The company prioritizes quality development, customer satisfaction, and social responsibility, ensuring its product meets client needs. The report concludes that MLS meets the criteria for applying borrower's credit assessment and recommend recording the credit application with a guarantor to ensure repayment. MLS Holding Berhad encountered financial difficulty in 2019, which were characterized by decrease in asset efficiency, liquidity, and profitability. Gross profit margin experienced a minor decline, while net profit margin experienced a significant decline as a result of the COVID-19 pandemic. Significant decline in ROA and ROE also suggests diminished profitability. In spite of a 43.13% decrease in sales, cost-cutting measures were implemented to decrease expenditure. A higher quick ratio resulted in an increase in liquidity. However, the average collection period and inventory turnover deteriorates, indicate a decreased pace of inventory movement and collection. Debt to equity ratio decreased, indicating a reduced dependence on debts. The total and fixed asset turnover ratio decreased, indicating a decrease in asset management efficiency and resultant decrease in revenue generation from assets. Next, MLS Holding Berhad's creditworthiness and capacity to repay loan are evaluated in this section. MLS is a financially stable, market resilient, and responsible governed organization that generates positive cash flow, strong revenue growth, and profitability. Its reliability is further enhanced by its regulatory compliance and transparency. MLS provides lenders with a confidence in its financial stability by adhering to the 5C and lending principle, as well as maintaining a balanced debt to equity ratio and strong capital reserves. MLS is a creditor that is trustworthy due to the fact that this approach promotes long-term sustainability and strategic growth. Lastly, this section advised that MLS Holding Berhad apply for a loan of 15 million ringgit Malaysia. The money will be used to improve infrastructure 20 million, expand R&D 15 million, assist worldwide growth 10 million, and establish an emergency fund 5 million. A 10-year payback plan at 6.5% interest rate with a monthly payment of 81,237.92 cents will provide financial flexibility. To safeguard its interests and preserve a positive relationship with the lenders, MLS should thoroughly evaluate and agree on all loan terms, while the loan provides greater cash flow management and flexibility. It also includes a longer commitment and higher overall interest. That's all from me and my teammates. Thank you for watching us.